you have a hard time getting stamps aligned on an acrylic block straight and even, I have an awesome tip to share with you today that makes it so much easier. Let's take a look at it. When you're trying to align alphabet stamps, this is a really good example of what I'm going to share how to line these up even, but there's other types of stamps that you may be wanting to line up even in a straight row on a block, and it can be hard because they want to stick to you. So as you're trying to align them, you see this one tagging onto my finger, like it's really hard to get them lined up straight. And every time I think I do, then they're not, you know? So let me just share you this tip. This is, I don't even know where I came up with this, if somebody shared it with me, but I feel like it's something that would have never just occurred to me on my own. But after I saw it, it was like, oh, wow, that makes so much sense. And it just works. You see what I'm doing? All I did was I spread these stamps out. I have them down here low because it helps me to be able to see what I'm doing and where I'm at. This one's a little crooked. Let's fix that. So as I'm going across here, I just look through my block to where it is straight. And at that point, whenever it's straight, you know, I can adjust my block back and forth for wherever it needs to be, wherever it needs to be turned. And at the point that I am ready to pick it up, I just lower that block. Now I was pushing it to fit all of my letters on this block, but I think we'll get that G right on the end of there. I don't know why this seems so revolutionary to me, but it is so much easier and I hope you can use this. Thanks so much for watching along. I don't want you to miss out on my future tip videos. Make sure you're subscribed and you've hit the little bell to get the notifications. I hope I can share more things to help you in your craft space. I appreciate you being here. I really appreciate when you like and comment on my videos. That helps other people find them. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.